Hi everyone, I'm here to introduce some of Lenovo's new display solutions. They were all made to lighten up your time at home. In the post-epidemic era, you and your family may be part of hybrid workforce or balance different professions from edtech adopters to entertainers. For a productive, healthy, and pleasant home experience, Lenovo will launch 2 consumer USB-C monitors and 1 monitor webcam. With the devices separately used or combined as total solutions, you will feel well equipped for working and learning from home or entertaining at home. The 2 USB-C monitors are L27M and L32P. They both share L-series family look with an elegant and thoughtful design. More than elegant, you will find they are so functional and easily become the center of your desktop thanks to the full-function USB Type-C port. You just need 1 USB-C cable connecting to your smart devices to transmit video signals, USB data, and provide power supply. It helps avoid troublesome setups and messy desks. These 2 monitors also include USB hub with 4 USB ports. You can connect your keyboard, mouse, and camera or other USB devices to the hub. That's your fixed desktop setting, and you don't need to plug devices in or out frequently. The L27M is more suitable for healthy working or learning from home, thanks to its ergonomic design with 150mm leaf range. Any family member can adjust the monitor head to their preferred height to avoid neck strain. You can also adjust the display to find the right angle via a tilt or swivel function. When you read document in portrait mode, pivot the monitor and fully utilize the display area. To better care for your eye health, the L27M adopts natural low blue light technology certified by iSafe. It can eliminate harmful low blue light while keeping color undistorted, so you don't need to compromise color performance when you pursue a healthy working style. While the L32P is a good companion for entertainers, no matter for console gaming or movies. This 31.5-inch 4K in-play switching display will absolutely provide a visual feast. The L32P can deliver an elevated gaming experience, especially for gaming consoles supporting 4K and HDR content, like PlayStation or Xbox. You will find yourself immersed in exquisite gaming graphics. The L32P is also great for your cozy private time. You can connect USB-C smart devices from notebooks or tablets to even smartphones, then play quality videos on this vast display. Besides the display, we have specially designed the monitor webcam LC50 to make the L27M and L32P a more complete and powerful solution for online meetings or courses and live streaming. The LC50 webcam has been specially designed with a magnetic stand, so you can easily attach the camera to the top of L27M and L32P without covering display area. Then plug into one of the USB ports on the monitor. Don't need to worry about camera cable clutter. A light, capsule-shaped magnet is designed and attached to help you manage the cable. The LC50 has an integrated high-quality 1080p camera and dual microphones. It also includes some thoughtful design to fit into home usage, thanks to the microphone's noise cancellation feature.
Hello!
Hi, Catherine!
Hi,
How are
Jackie!
you?
Your online meetings or courses won't be interrupted by a noisy home environment. And the LC50 supports remote collaboration or live streaming with more freedom. Whether you are sitting close to the monitor or keeping a certain distance, you can always stay well present with camera's 4x digital zoom and be heard clearly with the microphone's 2-meter voice capturing. You don't need to worry about home privacy leakage, as LC50 is designed with double privacy protection. When the camera is on, The privacy light will be red to remind you. You can also cover the lens with one slide. Among the above solutions, I recommend you choosing the L27M plus LC50 for more efficient working and learning, and use the L32P plus LC50 for quality entertaining. No matter what your preference is, Lenovo Visuals will always be at your side to provide an enjoyable and reliable experience.